Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Samsung A54, a mid-range smartphone that has been gaining a lot of attention lately. Samsung is known for its quality products, and the A54 is no exception. In this video, we'll take a closer look at its features, design, and overall performance to help you decide if it's the right phone for you. So let's get started. First, let's talk about the design of the Samsung A54. It has a sleek and modern look with a glossy plastic back that is available in 3 colors: black, blue, and white. The phone is also very lightweight and easy to hold, with a 6.5-inch display that gives you a great viewing experience. The front camera is placed in a small notch at the top of the screen, which gives it a modern and streamlined look. The Samsung A54 is equipped with a Snapdragon 720G processor and 4GB of RAM, which makes it a great option for multitasking and gaming. The phone also has a long-lasting 5000 mAh battery, which means you can use it for hours without having to worry about running out of power. Now let's talk about the camera. The Samsung A54 has a quad camera setup, which includes a 48MP primary camera, a 5MP ultra-wide camera, a 2MP macro camera, and a 2MP depth camera. The camera quality is impressive, and the pictures come out clear and vibrant, even in low-light conditions. The front camera is also great, with a 13MP lens that takes clear and detailed selfies. The Samsung A54 runs on Android 11 and has Samsung's One UI 3.1 on top of it. The software is smooth and easy to use, with many customization options available. The phone also has a fingerprint scanner and face recognition, which makes it easy to unlock your phone quickly and securely. Overall, the Samsung A54 is an excellent mid-range smartphone that offers a lot of value for its price. With a sleek design, impressive performance, great camera, and user-friendly software, it's definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a new phone. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. Thanks for watching.